mindset changes is one of the kind of soft skill, adaptive skill. These are skills very much needed if you want to move on to the futures of works. A lot of new emerging technology coming up. We need to learn, such as AI, blockchain, autonomous roboting, big data, cloud computing. These are all things that is going to change the whole business landscape. Then the other thing is also the domain expertise skill. That wherever you are, be it you are HR, you are finance, you are engineering person, your domain expertise skill. So these are the three areas we think: the adaptive skill set, the emerging technology skill set, and the technical skill set, the domain expertise skill set. A combination of these three skill set that you really need to pay attention to keep yourself updated, relevant, to pick up